Hey guys, so I just seen this life hack that said that you can rinse your toothbrush under hot water, put some salt on it, some vinegar, and then your toothpaste, and it is supposed to make your teeth white. So, we about to see if it's true. It's my teeth now. Yellow, yellow. See, the bottoms are so. Let's see. Down some hot water. Hot to the head and running. My toothbrush. Oh, dirt mines out there. Alrighty, let's pour a little salt. I'll put a decent amount of salt on there. Now we go and pour. I didn't have no white vinegar, so we're gonna use apple cider vinegar. Okay, got that all soaked in. Now, we're gonna put a little dot of toothpaste. Mr. 3D white toothpaste too, so let's see what happens. Boop. Okay. Alright, look at the end. Okay? Alright, let's see. Let's start. Fumes. The taste is gross. We'll tell you that. Be warned. It's just like pickle juice. It's the vinegar, acidity, and then that salt. It's like a fresh jar of some you want to pickle. But I could be tripping because the toothpaste was white, so maybe I could just be thinking that my teeth was looking white. But let's see. Shit. Well, clean that up in a minute. Let's see. It's how it looks. Kind of scared I'm anticipating because they low-key look a little whiter, but let's see. Oh no, they're whiter. Still the yellow on the bottom, but I think they're whiter. Okay. I'm gonna have to do this for a week or something to see if I really see a difference. All right, have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye.